Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. So this is me Asa, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest ideas of no maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women, many much more stylish ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and so stylish overall ideas, overall collection. I hope you like it. Different ideas of haircut in low maintenance: pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cuts. Some ideas layered, some ideas step, and some ideas in undercut, and so beautiful ideas of hairstyling: fine hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, messy hairstyle, spiky hairstyle. Mostly ideas of low maintenance hairstyle in messy hairstyle and spiky hairstyle. Some ideas with undercut and shaved art. Eye-catching ideas of hair dye: blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas, funky colors, and many much more stylish ideas. Latest collection. Of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous, you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video. See you soon in next video. Take care and bye bye.